Hi, I'm out on my bike again. This time I'm riding on the Waranga Rail Trail from Rushworth to Murchison. Um, I had a little adventure here a month ago when the gears on Mario failed and I had to walk the bike back 5 kilometres. But today I'm heading through from Rushworth to Murchison and then back again. A round trip about 18-19 kilometres. It's a really nice day for August, so sit back and enjoy my Mike on a bike adventure for today. I made a bit of a mistake with my introduction. The complete round trip is about 40 kilometres and we took just over about 2 hours to ride. So this is where I parked in Rushworth, and the beginning of the rail trail, or the trailhead, is very well developed. It's the newest section that has been opened. So there are toilets and the trail here is sealed, so it's very smooth to ride on. We head out through the rail yards, out towards the edge of town. Now, leaving the rail yards, we cross our first road on this journey. We'll continue on out of town until we get to the Goulburn Valley Highway. Once we've crossed over here, we start to hit the trail proper with its regular gravel surface, and we'll continue on. We're approaching our first bridge for the journey, the first of quite a number that we'll get to see during this ride today. Now almost approaching our second, a bit larger this one, and we'll head on along down the trail. More bridges. We all know I like a bridge. And now for a view of the bridge over one of the two channels that feeds in to the Waranga Basin. So we've stopped here and we'll have a look around 360 degrees to see the view from the middle of this bridge before we continue on towards Murchison. We continue through some more wooded country on the outskirts of Murchison, where the trail veers off and into one of the streets. So the trail finishes here, it just sort of ends on the edge of Murchison. So I rode a bit further into town to find a park where I could sit down, have a drink, something to eat, a bit of a rest before heading back the other way to complete my journey today. Thanks for joining me out on the Waranga Rail Trail today. Hopefully, we'll get together again soon for another ride. See you soon.